Jeffrey.
It does? Wait. Wait a minute. I think it says open now.
It wasn't underneath the tree. I guess Santa Claus.
I know.
I think Santa Claus must have brought it.
Nicole, does that say Jeffrey open now, please?
To Jeffrey, emergency delivery.
Yep.
Emergency. That must mean there's something good in
They're
there.
opening now. If it's
Receive
emergency.
phone
Let's
call.
open it.
Why? Isn't that
Put it over there in the
It
ottoman.
said
where it's lighter.
emergency, so I think you have to open it right now.
Santa must have came while we were at your program.
You did.
Did you expect him, Jeffrey? Did you know he was coming?
Did you give Santa Claus a key? 'Cause I didn't give him one.
I didn't give him one. How could he have gotten in the house, Jeffrey?
Did you leave your window open so he could sneak all your presents in?
No. Ew, it's not a present.
What is it?
I don't know yet.
It must be in that box.
Oh, you got a package.
Mm-hmm.
Special delivery.
Wow, that came from the North Pole.
Priority mail. North
Oh
Pole.
my gosh.
I guess he didn't make it a present. And how did he get in here?
I don't know. Well, open it.
Why don't you try opening the other side? The other side looks easier, the top.
Yeah.
Yeah, just flip those two, no, flip it back on, yeah.
There you go. Try opening that side. Pull, pull.
Ooh, what is it?
I don't know yet.
Pull.
Pop it open. Hold on.
Careful.
Boy, Santa made sure that was locked up tight.
There we go.
Whoa, what is this?
What is it?
A race car.
What?
That looks like Mommy's and Greg's.
Yep. Now I can race it with you.
Yep. Yep, that's it.
Wow.
Just the race car. You want to try it?
Wow, Jeffrey, look at that cool thing.
Yeah, plastic.
Hold on.
Yep.
Jeffrey, I
Probably go
can't
faster
believe
than that.
you got one.
You got one like Mommy and Greg now.
Yeah, but small one.
Yep.
Yeah, that is so cool.
It's a Jeffrey size.
Look at that cool car.
Bra, racing.
Whoa!
Whoa.
That goes fast.
Yours is smaller so it can go all around the house better.
Then doesn't back up.
Gotta push it. Here you go. It'll back up. Try it a couple times. There you go.
That is so cool.
Whoa.
Why's this thing not going?
There you go.
Ah! Ah! It goes too fast